How to watch live videos on TikTok applications. To watch live videos on TikTok, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of TikTok application. Simply tap on App Store on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for TikTok and see if you have updated to latest version or not. If you don't see Update Now button, then simply tap on Open to open TikTok application. Once you launch TikTok application on your mobile device, on the top left you will see live option. Simply tap on this and from here you can watch live videos on TikTok. This is a very simple way to watch live videos on TikTok application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.